Hello everyone, it's Jimmy Young speaking. I'd like to go over once again how to go about executing a trade strategy from an intraday basis using the news. Today, for example, today actually being August 5th, Wednesday, I had a dollar CAD trade view, bullish trade view. I also had a dollar yen bullish trade view. I'll show you my trade finder here. It's what I send out to my clients every day. So I said, we're looking to buy dollar Canada, looking to buy dollar yen. And with the yen especially, we want to make sure stocks are cooperating. We'll talk about what that means shortly. But here we go. Here's what the charts I sent them out look like. I mean, not rocket science. The dollar CAD pair at the end of Tuesday had on a daily chart, had the highest close in over a month. And the dollar yen pair had the highest close in over a month, and none of the others had any such distinctions. So I figured these two have potential to go higher on Wednesday. If we can find a buy trade in dollar CAD or dollar yen, that would be good. And the news turned out to be a great culprit. So here's how the day unfolded. This is where the day started, and this is the dollar CAD, and it was pretty steady. Then we got some negative dollar news that drove the dollar Canada pair lower, and we saw an opportunity to buy it right in here, and it came right back up again. I can show you a little chart without going too specific. It's as simple as this. This is where the negative news was. It was actually the US automated data processing payroll was less than expected, bearish for the dollar, but a tier 2 news release, meaning it's not considered to be overly important. It's kind of lukewarm, if you will. And it doesn't, traders pay attention to it sometimes they don't. So we saw a negative dollar reaction. This is a 1-minute chart. In the dollar, so in the dollar Canada pair, came right back up to where it was 3 minutes later before that news. And then you can see we had a little bit of a bearish dollar market, probably related to that news going on. We didn't take out any significant lows from the hourly chart on the dollar CAD, so we saw an opportunity using a moving average line to buy it right in here, and we were able to ride this back up quite a bit. That's straightforward, that's simple. Now the same news we were pointed out also gave us a chance, along with what the stocks were doing, in dollar yen. Dollar yen was actually a better example. Let me show you this one quickly. So here's the dollar yen. This is the start of Wednesday, and you can see, like the dollar CAD, nothing going on. Then we got that bearish news about the ADP payroll. It went down, it came all the way back up, created a big doji, which in itself could be considered bullish, especially if it starts getting above the high of that doji. Now we felt that the news pushed this down and gave us an opportunity to buy dollar yen, and if the stocks were going up at the same time as we were buying dollar yen, and dollar yen was going up, all pistons were firing, so to speak. Here's a chart, again, once again using a moving average line. Here was that tier 2 US news, the ADP. Once we got back above our moving average, we're a buyer, 124.25. Went up to 125 even, 75 points. That's a nice trade. And this is where it kind of peaked out at 125. And looking at the stocks right around that same time of day, the stock market also peaked out. So if you can imagine, you get bad news, so stocks go down, dollar yen goes down, then the dollar yen starts going up, stocks start going up, and you get the pattern that we're looking for. And so that's how we can find a trade in the short term in the intraday market, having a view. That's all for now. Jimmy Young saying goodbye.